Okay, today I'm gonna make dehydrated ginger. First, prepare ginger by squashing and peeling it off. There, and then after that, cut it into small pieces like 1 inch thick in strips. And after cutting the pieces or pieces of gingers into strips in 1/4 of an inch thick, you will place it in the dehydrator trays. This time I'm gonna use the 9 trays Excalibur Dehydrator. So I'm using all the 9 trays. The ginger I have here, which I bought from the store, is like 4 pounds. It's a good sale, so I bought a bulk of 4 pounds with the intent of dehydrating it for storage and future use. So this time I am still cutting the pieces into 1/4 of an inch thick, so that when you dehydrate the ginger, it's not gonna take so long for dehydrating it. So for this kind, wherein you dehydrate that, is gonna take like 5 to 6 hours. So this time I'm already preparing, or I'm already placing the strips into the dehydrator trays, equally dividing all the pieces into 9 trays. It looks like it's not a lot in each tray, but it's good because it's not gonna take so long to dehydrate the ginger. So now I'm loading it into the dehydrator. I have like 6 trays loaded, or 7 trays loaded. So I have 2 more trays to be loaded in the dehydrator. And then after this, I'm gonna set up the dehydrator for 135 degrees Fahrenheit, and this will take about 6 hours to finish. And then waiting for 6 hours, you have to check if it's ready already. Sometimes, because it's not uniform, I mean the strips are not uniformly cut, so some will dehydrate faster than the rest. So you have to check and see if it's already dried. Now you can tell if it's dry if when you break the strip, it will break easily like paper. That means all the moisture are out and it's gonna be ready to be unloaded. This time I was checking it, it's not ready yet. And now, by the way, when you turn the dehydrator off, you let the ginger cool off before you store it in the jar. Now this time, I'm unloading it and place it in the basin, and then load it into the jar. Now you can see some trays have more than the other trays. Okay, so that is done. So now I'm gonna place this into the quart jar. So this is how much the 4 pounds ginger looks like when it's dehydrated already. It's not even, I mean, the quart jar did not even fill, but almost to the rim. Now I can use this for cooking, or I can use this for tea, incorporating it into the tea. There you go. And then I place the silica gel for the desiccant as a oxygen absorber. And then it will stay for the storage and ready for use when I needed ginger for my cooking. Alright, that's it. I'm labeling it and then place it into the storage. Alright. Okay, now it's loaded into the jar. I'm gonna label it, put a date, and then stamp it on the jar. And there you go, it's ready for storage. I can use it for the future cooking, or I can use it for my tea. Okay. Please comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!